Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see the list data type in Python. So let's start with the video. Here I'm going to use the PyCharm editor to type the Python program. Now first we'll see here how to declare list data type in Python. So first we'll declare one variable. For example, I'm declaring one variable stationery list. I want to create stationery list of stationery items, so I will declare one variable stationery list. Always list is represented by using the square brackets. Okay, in this square brackets, suppose I want to add the stationery item, for example pen, pencil, eraser. Three items I have given within the list. In the list, you can write combination of string as well as integer number. Suppose I am writing another number as a 500. So it is allowed in the list. I can write the string items as well as the integer items. Now, if I want to display this list, then I will use the print statement, print and name of that variable, that is the stationery list. And if I run the program, it will show the list is displayed here by using the print statement. If I want to check data type of this variable, then I can write print type, then stationery list, and just run the program. Now you can see here the list is displayed as well as its data type is also displayed. Now we'll see the features of the list. First thing, list is always displayed by using the square brackets. Values given in the list are always ordered, means they follow the sequence whatever is given while creation of a list. Means we have given the elements in this order: pen, pencil, eraser, and value is given as a 500. So same sequence it follows here. After that, it allows the duplicates. So here pencil is written. Suppose once again if I write the pencil, it will allow this value also, means two times it will consider the value as a pencil. So we can check here two times pencil and pencil it is accepting, means duplicates are allowed in list. Third feature is list is a mutable, means once list is created we can add or remove elements from the list. Means list is mutable. So we'll see here how to add and delete elements from the list. So first we'll see how to append element into list. So for that purpose I will write name of the variable. Now suppose I want to check data type for a particular item in this list. For example, I want to check data type for this eraser. So eraser is third item in this list. So, because array index starts with the 0. So pen is at 0th position, then 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Eraser is at third position and I want to check its a data type. So I will type here print type and that element whose value I want to print and just run the program. So you can see here, if I write the stationery list, then its a type is a list. If I write variable name as a third variable, that is a eraser, then its a data type is a string. If I write the fourth variable for this 500, I want to check the data type. If I run this program, you can see it is showing data type for this value 500 as a integer. So in this way we can check the data types for the items in the list. Now we will see how to append item in the list. Now for some time I will keep these lines in a comment. I want to append element in the stationary list. So first type that variable stationary list dot append. If I write the value as paper, and if I'm printing this stationary list by using the print statement, then we'll see the result. Now you can see this first list, it indicates the original list, and after using this append statement, this paper is added. Now we will see how to remove the elements from the list. Suppose I want to remove the pencil item here. Okay, so I will use the variable name stationary list dot remove pencil, and I will run the program. After removing the pencil, we have to print the stationary list to understand the result. So one pencil is removed. Suppose I want to remove one more pencil. So again, and I will write the code. So two times pencil will get removed. So pen, eraser, 500 and paper. Only this much is remaining. So I will type here stationary list dot insert. Suppose at first position I want to insert the sharpener. So I will type here sharpener and print the list. For that purpose print statement is used. Now execute the program. Now you can see here this is the original list. After using this insert statement, here I have mentioned the location as the first position. So at first position sharpener is added into this list. Now if I want to remove this 500 from this list, then I can use the list variable name stationary list dot remove and name of the element which I want to delete. I want to delete the value as a 500, and again I want to print the result. If I execute the program, now you can see this is original list. This is the result after adding sharpener, and this line prints the result for this remove statement. Here 500 is removed. Now we'll see how to use the pop function. So here I will use the variable stationary list dot pop. If I write only pop, then it will remove the last element. So if I execute this program, you can see here in original list 500 is at the last. So if I use this pop command, then 500, that is the last element, is deleted. So if I mention here, suppose I mention the first position, so number 1 is written. So item, that is a pencil, will get deleted here. If I write the third item, then eraser will get deleted. Now you can see pen, pencil and 500 is there. The third element eraser is deleted from this list. So in this way we have studied the append function, how to insert the element into the list, how to use the pop function, and how to remove element from the list. Now take one more list as an example. For example, list 2. Suppose in this list I am going to take only integer numbers 100, 200, 300, 30, 8. So for this list, as this is an integer type of list, we can sort this list by using the function list2 dot sort function, and we can print that sorted list also. Now if I run the file, you can see the previous outputs for these statements, as well as the output for this sort statement also. So you can see these numbers are in sorted order. If I want to print this number in descending order, then I can type list 2 dot reverse and run the program. Now here you can see the original list contains these numbers. If I want to sort this element, I will use the variable name dot sort function and I will print the sorted list of atoms. If I want to print these numbers in reverse order, then we can use the list dot reverse function. So in the output statement you can see these elements are in sorted order and these elements are in reverse order. Now here we can see that we can combine the elements of a list. For example, we are having this first list, that is a stationary list, and second list is a list 2. So I can combine the results. So I will write the print stationary list plus list 2 and execute the program. Now you can see, so results are combined for both these. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.